The 12 pure vowels used in English from A to A. Here we are to learn the name of the phoneme this and the symbol used to represent it. This symbol represents the phoneme O. The name of this phoneme is O. It is a long phoneme. As there is no letter in English to represent this phoneme, I have done it using my tongue. At the beginning of the syllable, A, L, L, O, Il, on. A, U, C, T, I, O, N. O, I, O. Ish, a, shan. In, shan, what, shan. A, W, E, O. O, R, P, H, A, N, O. If, a, fa, in, often. O, U, G, H, T. O, it, ought. At the middle of the syllable, B-A-L-L. If, O, bo, il, both. If, O, U, G, H, T. If, O, bo, it, both. B-A-W-L. If, O, bo, il, both. G-A-L-L. If, O, to, il, thought. C-A-U-S-E. If, O, to, is, cause. C-A-U-G-H-T. Eco, co, it, coat. At the end of the syllable, B-O-R-E. Eco, bo. C-O-R-E. Eco, co. L-A-W. Il, o, low. P-O-R-E. Eco, po. B-A-W. Eco, po. S-O-R-E. So. S-W-S-A-W. S-O, so. Generally, the letters A-L-L, A-U, A-W, or O-U represent this phoneme.